I'm Fiona with WTI, and I have found the cutest set of playing cards ever. It is the Donut Lovers playing cards from Ridley's Games. Now, every single playing card has a different illustration of a donut on it. There are no repeats, and they all have a fun little caption as well, which I think makes playing any card game even more fun. Here are a few of my favorites. This one's Maple Bacon Bars, crispy bacon with a maple syrup glaze. Kitty Donut, a quirky little cat-shaped donut. Mint Green Iced, minty fresh flavored icing. Powdered, messy but delicious. Blueberry Sprinkle, blueberry glazed topping with sprinkles. And Ice Cream Burger, ice cream sandwiched between two ring donuts. They also come in this really cute donut-shaped tin, which fits all of the cards perfectly for taking them on the go. Even the backs of the cards have this cute donut pattern. All in all, I think these cards are adorable, portable, and the perfect way to elevate any card game. And that's just my point of view.